Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and like, comment, and tell me your thoughts down in the comment section below. Put the notification button on for my next videos. So like I said in my last video, I'll be doing 2 videos every week and even 3. I won't specifically go on the date because I might say Wednesday and then something may come up on Wednesday and I might not be able to do it. So just 2 videos in a week or 3. So today I want to share with you some of my kitchen essentials, like that inside this cute little basket. Some of the things that I use from my kitchen for my beauty purposes. So there are only like 4 that I use for now. Maybe the more I go, the more I'll discover some things, but I just wanted to share with you. So if you have them in your homes, you can also use them as well. So my number 1 go-to is this coconut oil. I bet everybody has coconut oil, and if you don't, maybe you should get one. I don't cook with it, but what I do is I use it. I have like, let's say 4 or 5 uses that I do. So my one use, I use it to moisturize my hair, like near food, and then the next one I use it to, sometimes, not these days, but I used to use it before I got my micellar water. I used to use it to remove my makeup, so it's very good in removing your makeup, and it's very fast. Other thing I do is like moisturize. It makes your body glow a little bit when you use it, and you can also use it as body deodorant for your underarms. Like, let's say on weekends, what I do on weekends, I normally don't, when I'm not going anywhere, I just shower and I put this under my underarms, and I use that as my natural deodorant for the day. So I use it to remove my makeup, to moisturize, for my hair, and for my underarms. Only 4, and it's not that expensive, and it does a really good job. And then the next one I use is this bicarbonate of soda. This one I only use it on one thing only, and it's very efficient, and it's 100% working for me. So I use it to whiten my teeth. So what I do is I take my toothbrush, put some toothpaste on it, and then I put some bicarbonate of soda, and then I brush my teeth. Before, when I started using it, I normally used to do it like every day, but nowadays I only do it like thrice a week or twice, depending on my mood. But it really works, you see. It works. This one goes for, I think, 100 to 150 in the supermarket. Something cheap. You can try and use it and see this, how it works for you. And then the third thing I use is honey. Asali honey. I think I've used this in I've tried some facial mask with honey, but I didn't like how sticky it was. But now the only thing I use it for is for my lips. So basically, I didn't apply lipstick for you to see. My lips used to be really dark. So what I started doing is I mix some honey with some sugar. Sorry for the noise. Some honey with some sugar and some lemon and apple cider. And then I use that paste to scrub my lips. So every time I have like cracked every time I have like cracked lips, I use this and my lips back to normal, and somehow it brightens it a little bit. So if you see, you can see like it's really changing, like there's an improvement going on there. So if you're looking for something that can help you, you can use honey. And if you don't even have honey, you can just use like sugar and lemon and create a paste and scrub that, use that to scrub your lips. And then the last one I use is lemon. This is sliced because it's the only one I have left. I use this in the morning. So I use lemon for like 3 things. Lemon, the one thing I use is to detox, and the other thing I've started doing actually is using it to lighten my underarm. So my underarm are a bit darker. It's has started working, but I want to show you like the end results after this month actually, because I've been using it like thrice a week, sometimes every day. So until I see the difference, now then I can come and say it worked really. But for now I'm using it for that. And then another thing I'm doing is like I've said, I use it to create a paste for scrubbing my lips. So I think, oh, that's like 4 essential things that I got from my kitchen that I use for my beauty hacks. And if you have these ones and you didn't know that you can use them, I think you should try them and then tell me how it goes well for you. Like for coconut, some people say it dries their skin, but for me, I've not seen anything like that. So thank you so much for watching. This was really just a short video, and I wanted to share some things. In case you have them in your kitchen, you can always use them. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.